In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Python in your Windows operating system. So first, go to the python.org website, that is their official website where you can install Python. So here in the download section, I am in Windows because I have a Windows operating system, and when you scroll down, you can see that Python 3.8.3 May 13, 2020 is the latest version of Python available. There's also pre-releases of Python, but just download the stable release because the bugs are fixed in the stable releases. So you will get three types of installing options, like these three for 32-bit operating system and these three for 64-bit operating system. And you get three types, that is a web-based installer, and an executable installer, and an embedded zip file. You can choose anything to install, it's your choice, but I basically recommend you to install the executable installer. So I will install that, and installing. Yeah, I have a pretty good internet connection, so downloads a bit good, and it's downloading. Let's wait. Okay, it's gonna install, and here we go. It just got installed. So now we have installed Python in our system. Now just navigate to the download section where you can see the Python installer. Just double click it, and it's just like a normal, executing a normal executable file. Just click install. Now you get two options here, like install now or customize installation. When you go to customize installation, it asks for like, do you need idle or pip? That's it. You just don't want to go there. Just click add Python to Python 3.8 to path, because it's very essential to get started in programming and to install Python. And just give install now. That's it. Now it will start to install. Again, it asks you to whether you want to install or not. Just give yes and wait for Python 3.8.3 to get installed in your system. And it's installing. Well, it gets installed. Let's go and see the Python website. Yeah, you can see installing the core interpreter. That's very good. And there are Python 3.5 cannot be used on Windows XP or earlier, and that. Let's get it installed. And there are many releases. And if you're using a Mac OS, just go here. Just click on the Mac OS X and just download the 64-bit installer, or 32-bit in Mac. Yeah, that is. So you can download that. Now we are in Windows, so just go here. You can also have three types of installers. This will install from the Python's web page in the exe, and this have a zip file just like the executable installers. And it's installing. The installation must be pretty fast, Here, let's wait. Let's hope. Python is installing the standard library, which includes the pre-installed modules like the random module, the RE module, and what else? The NumPy. Maybe the NumPy is a pre-installed module, and here's the community. When you go to the Python's official website, like python.org, they have an option like run Python in an active shell, like that. So you can run Python online from their official website. And the Python 3.8.3 test suite is installing. And in the future videos, I'll be covering the parts like the basics of Python, and the intermediate sections of Python, and the advanced sections of Python. And I'll be continuing my Pygame series, maybe 4 or 5 6 more videos, my Pygame series. And yeah, that's what gonna happen in the future of this channel. And it's installing this TCL and TK support. Yeah, tkinter is also a pre-installed module in Python. Basically, tkinter is a GUI based GUI, graphical user interface based module where you can program, you can make graphics or like this setup, this window in Python. It's basically like Pygame, but the tkinter is used to make the applications in Python. Yeah. So it's installing so here it is installing the Python launcher and the pip bootstrap, because the pip is the important section of Python. So because the pip is used to to download the modules directly from your command prompt rather than going to their website py.org and searching for the module and installing it manually. So Python 8.3 is added to path or adding to path. And yes, this setup was successful, and yeah, thanks to Mark Hammond. Yeah, thank you. So now let's go. To check Python is installed in your system, just open your command prompt and type Python version. So you can see here it tells Python 3.8.3, which is be installed now. So if you don't have Python installed, it will show an error. It will throw you an error. So to use Python, just write Python, and you can get an interactive shell type of thing in the command prompt, or you can just go and you can see the idle of the Python is installed. Just open it, and takes a time. Yeah, here's the Python. You can just type the basic like hello guys, just enter, and you can see the hello guys. So that's it for today. This is how to install Python on your system. And thank you guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like, share and subscribe this video. I hope this helped you in installing Python, and thank you guys.